Wow, what a day today, huh? The markets just crashed, right? It was a nice little liquidity event. That's what happened today, guys. Stay right there. We'll walk through it and I'll be right back. Hey guys, welcome back once again. I am Britches, and in this video, guys, we want to talk about a little bit about what happened today, the nice little liquidity event or fire sale, whichever you want to call it. That's what it was. What happened today pretty much is everything went down. And normally when everything goes down, it's a liquidity event. And that was it in a nutshell. That's what happened. So what you saw is you saw the dollar gained some strength today. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but that's what happened. The dollar gained some strength today, and everything else decided to just crash. But after probably the lunchtime hour, everything started to move back up, or stabilize, I should say. The Dow is down probably 1%. Same thing across the board. Now silver's down $2. I want to say gold finished out down 35. So not too bad, but it was a nice little pullback, man. A nice little pullback. Now, if you watched my videos over the weekend, I thought silver and gold was getting ready to pop, man. I really did. There was a nice flagpole and pennant forming, and it was coiling up very, very nicely. And I was sure it was going up, but it went the other way. And that's the way these things work. So it's all about timing. It's all about, patience, or, however you want to stack, really. If you're just buying every week, then it doesn't bother you. This is just another opportunity to put some more precious metals in your stack. Now, if you're like me, I try to get as cheap as possible, no matter what. And I was going to buy this weekend. I even talked about it. I was like, man, I feel like it's going to pop. I really want to buy. But then I chickened out. And thankfully I did, because now I'm definitely going to buy as soon as I get done making this video. So stay right there. I'm going to go through the charts with you and show you what exactly happened today. And I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. Oh yeah, and check it out, man. I got a new coffee cup in, and I really do like it. Appreciate that, Yank. Gonna take care of that. Like I said before, guys, I'm a fan of Yankee. I like his stuff. All right, so let's get into these charts. All right, so here we are. We're on Provident Metals website, and let's dive into what happened today, guys. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Let's go on down here. All right, so here's the silver chart for the year. Okay, so for the year, silver has done extremely well over the past year. So like I said before, the liquidity event right there, and ever since then, just up, except for today. Nice little pullback, just like we had right here, but it's a little bit more of a pullback. 24.38 was the low. Now let's go back to the 1 month. So here we go. We got silver just, maxed out right there, and then ever since then, it's just been chugging along. 26, 27, and then boom, just a cliff. Dropped off a cliff. But hey, that's okay, man. It's a buying opportunity is what that is, and that's the way I'm taking it. And let's look at the day. Let's look what happened today. So you can see right here, you had the support, right? You had the people starting to sell off right here, and then you had more people coming in, right? Trying to boost it back. You know what I mean? Trying to boost it back, and finally they said, "To heck with it. I'm not doing it anymore." And so they just let it go. They just let it go right there around midday. I know me and Florida Stacker were talking back and forth, and it was just a thing to see. But it held tight. You know what I mean? It was up, down, and it held tight. So tomorrow, I don't know what tomorrow's gonna bring as far as silver goes. Now let's look at gold. Let's look what it did. All right, so over the day, big drop off for gold, man. Not much as far as the dollar, just 50-something dollars down, guys. So not bad. Okay, it did drop into the 1800s. So this was your opportunity to swoop in there and pick up some gold if you were after it. Me, like I said before, I'm a blue collar guy, man. I can't always, can't just stop what I'm doing and just go, shopping. So, the rest of the day, man, the markets and, the precious metals, they stopped the bleeding and they hung tight. That's what you want to see. You want to see that, guys. You want to see some type of momentum heading into tomorrow, and that's what was good about that today. Now the ratio, silver to gold ratio, man, it expanded by $4 today. So you guys wanting to trade up the ratio, man, sorry about that. Got away from you a little bit. So let's take a look at platinum real quick, guys. I know there's some platinum lovers here on my channel, so yeah, a rough day for platinum as well. Not good at all, but you see that very end of the day it started doing well, and that's what you want to see. That's what we want to see. But guys, to be honest with you, what you saw today was another liquidity event. It was a minor one, but it was a liquidity event, and that's why everything tanked. Whenever you have everything tanking like this, that's what that spells. And plus you had the dollar gaining some strength today. I know a lot of people who watch my videos, they're not fans of the dollars, they're not fans of the Fed, and that's what happened, guys. The dollar went up and your precious metals and everything else went down. It always happens once the stock market reaches all-time highs. These things happen, man. It's pretty much almost predictable. They go hand in hand. Same thing happened in March. All-time highs, and then boom, bottom fell out. Is this the end? I don't know. Could it go down more? I don't know. It is quite possible. So if you are on the fence about purchasing, sure, I don't blame you. I'd be on the fence too. So yes, silver's down $2 today, and gold is down 35. So not a bad recovery for gold. It did really well, and that just goes to show you the strength of gold and why it's a great. I think a gold is an investment, man. I'm sorry, but the performance of gold over the years and over the course of time, it does extremely well. Alright, so that's going to do it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget, keep grinding on your stack. Alright, so there you have it, guys. The dollar gained some strength today. Let's look and see what happens overnight. I'm pretty cautious as far as, wanting to overspend, but I do want to buy on this pullback. And that's what this is. It's a nice little pullback for you to go ahead, well, for me to go ahead and put some money into some precious metals. And that's what my plan is. That's what I'm going to do as soon as I get done editing this video. As soon as I get done making my thumbnail, I'm going shopping. That's what I'm doing right now. And I'll show you guys what I pick up in one of my next videos. Until then, guys, keep grinding on your stack.